Hey guys, it's me Haza, and I am back for another video. Today, I will show you the most powerful TH-12 attack, Super Archer Clone Blizzard with Warden assisted Lalo. I will show you the proper technique and give you some tips. You can even to star TH-14s of 15s with this attack. Your number one enemy are the air sweepers. Make sure to give your blimp a path where he won't be pushed back by the sweepers. To start off the attack, place 3 loons. They will seek air mine and bombs and tank a bit for your blimp. Here is a perfect path for the blimp. The blimp will fly directly to the town hall, dropping bombs on his way. Make sure to drop it next to the town hall and important defenses. On this base, I dropped it on this archer tower. When the blimp almost reaches the archer tower, drop an invisibility spell to prevent the super archers to get killed by defenses. Drop your 2 clone spells. I made a mistake by placing the rage spell now. Make sure to drop it after the second invisibility spells, as I do in the next attacks. The main goals are the town hall, X-bow, air sweepers, air defenses, inferno towers, and eagle artillery. You can see that his queen was also in the compartment. And you absolutely have to take it out, as it's the number 1 worst enemy of your loons. But the guy had his queen being upgraded. Place an invisibility spell every 4 seconds and watch the magic operate. If the archers don't take the CC out, don't worry, as your queen will do the job. Now, it's time to set a funnel. Use your 3 sneaky goblins so that your king and queen don't turn around the base. Your king and queen have to take out an air defense. Make sure to have a great funnel. Place an ice golem first, then your heroes. I use this baby dragon to funnel a little more. In the meantime, start your Lalo on the last standing air defense. Use 1 lava hound, and place some 3 to 4 packets of loons around the defenses around the air defense. Save some loons and the other hound for support and distraction. Place your Warden in air mode to support the Lalo. Use the Warden ability to protect the loons for the Inferno. Save your minions for cleaning. Place them only when the air targeting defenses are down.
Yeah, boy.
And here it is guys, 3 stair day almost max TH-12. I am going to show you how to star a TH-14 as a TH-12 with this strategy. First look for the air sweepers, then look for the town hall. You can see that there are important defenses as a scattershot, eagle artillery, X-bows, and air defenses. Here I do the same thing as I told you earlier. Here is the good way to do the clone rage and invisibility part. Blizzard successful. Now take out the queen with your king. Use king ability right away. Funnel with sneaky goblins and throw the ice golem and queen to take out the royal champion, as she is very dangerous for your loons. Now place the Lalo and use Warden ability when needed. Use it preferably when loons are exposed to danger, such as a multi-target Inferno, Splash CC for heavy splash damage. The goal here is not to 3-star, it's just to ensure a 2-star, by destroying as much as buildings as possible. Defense are destroyed in the right compartment and at the bottom, so you can use minions and baby dragon to take out as much buildings as possible. You also have some remaining loons, so make sure to use them. Here you have it, 2 stars on a non-rush TH14. Now you just have to repeat the steps that I showed you. Good luck. Please make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, as it took me a long time to make. Subscribe if you want to see more Clash of Clans videos from me, and comment down below what you think of the strategy. Also tell me in the comment if I can improve on the editing, and tell me which strategy you want to see on my channel next time. Peace, guys. Alright, I kept the best one for the end. You can 3-star TH13s if you execute the strategy perfectly. As you can see, a seeking air mine got triggered by a loon. You can see that these lure loons are really important. Now is the moment of truth. If you manage to take the important defenses, and most importantly the town hall, you have a chance to succeed. Be really careful to scatter shots, as they can completely mess the super archer blizzard because they one-shot the super archers. Be really careful as they aim really fast and fire fast. Anticipate the invisibility spells. Look at my super archers being crushed by the scatter shot. Unfortunately, the archers didn't take down this scatter shot, but it's not that bad. I am going to try sending my king and queen take down this scatter shot by opening the base with a super wall breaker right here and setting a funnel with the sneaky goblins. I funneled a little more with a baby dragon, just in case the king and queen would go for it and go for that barrack instead of getting in the base. So here I send them, hoping that they take down the air defense and scatter shot. Unfortunately, the king didn't look forward confronting the scatter shot, so I hoped that the queen would be interested, but she wasn't. It's not a big deal since the loons can take few shots from scatter shots, but this could mess up the attack. Anyway, seeing that the scatter shot is still standing, I start the Lalo as usual. Warden ability to protect the loons and hound. Second hound, and some more loons at the top for support. First scatter shot down, didn't damage the loons that badly. Minions to start cleaning up the top of the base, since air targeting defenses are down. Loons heading for second scatter shot, hoping they don't die. Warden being an absolute chad by distracting and tanking the scatter shot for the loons to go destroy it. Queen still standing, helping the cleanup, and loons successfully destroying and surviving the second scatter shot thanks to Warden's sacrifice. And here you have it. You have successfully 3-starred a TH13 even though you are a TH12. Even more powerful that Yeti Smash.